Introduction to Opposing Viewpoints in Context, also known just as Opposing Viewpoints. Has your professor ever asked you to look for pro and con articles for either a research assignment or a persuasive essay? If yes, then Opposing Viewpoints is a database for you. It provides us with pro and con articles, research articles, statistics, videos, and much more. To get to Opposing Viewpoints, we'll start off at the UTEP Library's homepage. We will click on Articles and Databases. We'll click on the letter O for Opposing Viewpoints. We will see an alphabetized list of all the databases that start with the letter O. We'll look for Opposing Viewpoints. We'll have to click on Opposing Viewpoints one more time to get to the database. It's important to note that not everything you see in Opposing Viewpoints is scholarly, peer-reviewed, or academic. Opposing Viewpoints works by gathering sources with different viewpoints to help you develop critical thinking skills and help you draw your own conclusions. This is what Opposing Viewpoints looks like when you first access the database. We recommend using the Browse Issues button to browse through Opposing Viewpoints. You'll see an alphabetized list of all the issues that Opposing Viewpoints covers. You can organize this list by using the Topics drop-down menu. Let's look at an issue. Let's look at activism. This is how each issue is organized within Opposing Viewpoints. In the middle of the page, you'll see an overview section. You can hit the Read More button to learn more about the topic. This is not something you would cite. This is for your knowledge only. Right below that, you'll see an On This Page section that gives you so much information on activism. It breaks down the information by document type, such as academic journals, biographies, and news. Right below that menu bar, you'll see that each document type has its own section. Let's look at one of the viewpoints. Each document type has a title, author, date, from, publisher. It also gives us a length of this document type. These are the tools that you can use with this document type in Opposing Viewpoints. Our most popular tool is the Cite tool. The default is MLA 8th edition. You can use the drop-down bar to choose MLA, APA, or Chicago. Each document type has a blue box called the Article Commentary section. This gives you a brief overview of the author's viewpoint and whether they are for or against an issue. The gray box to the right-hand side of the page gives you links to related articles and subjects. They also break down the article that you're looking at and give you links to the contents within. At the bottom of each article, you can see a source citation in MLA 8th edition. Within these citations, you'll often see an originally published as. This still remains a part of the citation. Some resources were originally published under different titles, and Opposing Viewpoints changes the title to make it more relevant to your search. If you have any questions about using this resource or any other resources the library offers, please call us at the numbers on the screen or ask us at libanswers.utep.edu.